So one of the ways I get views is optimizing for what I call is like the 7-figure keywords, right? Is optimizing the videos for the search. And I learned about 7-figure keywords by interviewing our clients. And I'm showing you mine because I don't show my clients stuff because you can steal their keywords, right? But you'll see here, some of these we're driving traffic to, some not, some just went viral. But the key here is I'm using 7-figure keywords. And keywords I know that people will pay 7 figures, have 7-figure problems, what I've discovered, and $100,000 questions. So I'm running traffic to this, and I have a few different traffic strategies to get leads from this. But then, these have thousands of views that I know people have the intent. I'm not trying to grab their awareness. I know they're on YouTube and on Google looking for the answers to these problems. But like one of them, I'll just give you a sample. YouTube for high ticket leads. I don't like the term high ticket leads, but it's what people are using, right? And I will also optimize these. The thing is, I was always worried with ads is it can affect the view time. So if there's not the intent, they won't watch the ad. But if the video is good and educates and the intent is there, they will watch it. And what I'm getting is not just view time, but I'm getting ranking for these shorts inside of YouTube for high ticket leads. I have a ton of other keywords I'm doing stuff for. Some of these videos you'll see, some of them not, but I think it's an easy strategy because you're stacking now organic search, paid search, YouTube, and Google search all together and short to long form so they can nibble, binge my videos. And I've spent, I ran these and spent a few $100s over Black Friday. Most of these videos I did a few weeks ago and just got them out for Black Friday. So I spent at top leads, I'm still only spending a few cents for some of these shorts to be viewed. The key, though, is making sure they're from the right people. And that's a tough part with like Facebook ads, etc. But when you do this, you stack the strategy of YouTube, Google search intent, and also, and video view time, expertise, building my channel, and then they can go through the channel and even learn more and binge on my channel, which I love too. So this is currently results that I got within a few weeks. Now, there's obviously optimization strategies. I obviously have my YouTube channel optimized for marketing, right? So YouTube knows it's about marketing. It's age. There's a few other factors, and then obviously there's factors in how we optimize and distribute the videos. But I think if you're gonna run YouTube ads to shorts, it is an easy way to get people in front of it. And this is a great place. We're doing the same thing with case stories. And I just got an email from a client that is ranking for a super competitive search, one of their shorts, just organically. So you combine these strategies and you have an awesome strategy stack. This is the 7-figure case story strategy stack that I talk about a lot. So I would suggest anyone that's running ads to shorts, also optimize them on YouTube.